This is an easy and tasty recipe of peanut chutney that you can have with idli or dosa. We will start with 3 tablespoons of dry roasted peanuts. I roasted them in a pan for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, we'll add green chillies to taste, a handful of coriander leaves, followed by fresh juice from half a lime. Some salt to taste. I'm adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And finally, we'll add a 1/4 cup of water. Use drinking water. This is a no-cook recipe. And that's it. We are going to blend this until we get a nice and smooth paste. Guys, you really don't need a tadka for this recipe. It is so delicious. Try it. I'm going to be eagerly waiting for your comments. If you're on any of these different social media sites, I'm going to be waiting to say hello. And for written recipes, you can always visit my blog. All the links are in the description. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It's free and you're going to get exciting recipes every week. Don't forget to press the notification bell. Alright then, see you next week. Bye-bye.